People are poor, so you have to be poor. It has nothing to do with that. Okay? It has something to do with you. It has something to do with your innovation, your inspiration. Okay? It has something to do with what you can do. And that is what Africa ICT, right? Or Girls in Technology program, we are trying to help you realize. Okay?
Yes.
So when you come and you meet I training you, it's not as if it's for nothing. But we want to see that you stand up to be able to take the task. Okay? You stand up to create opportunities for yourself. And where is the opportunity? Opportunity is just here. The computer is your opportunity. Okay? If you learn, you can be able to connect. If you are selling anything in the market, okay? Nowadays you use the computer, you can sit at home and sell. If you even want to learn how to bath, the computer can teach you. Internet. How to brush your teeth. If you don't know, it can teach you. Okay? What do you want to know that the computer cannot teach you? How to cook what? The computer can teach you how to cook your bra. Huh? If you don't know, those of you who don't know how to cook, who are still learning, it can teach you how to cook. Just by YouTube, Google. Okay, you see the steps. So it is very important. And that is why you must come here. Okay?
Yes.
I just want you to realize that is not the case. I've gone to school, I've completed university, I'm doing whatever I'm doing. If I said, okay, then I fail. Then where lies the faith? Okay? But you can be able to do something. I want everybody to be able to do something. If you would like to do something, say, I will do something. I want to hear you say, I will do something.
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 To help myself.
To help myself.
My family.
My family.
And my community.
And my community.
My parents may be poor.
My parents may be poor.
But I will never 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 be poor.
In the name of God.
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 But it starts with me.
But it starts with me.
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 I will do my best.
I will do my best.
Even though I know it's not easy.
Even though I know it's not easy.
I will do my best.
I will do my
I
best.
will do my best.
I will do my
I
best.
will help myself.
I will help
I
myself.
will help my teachers.
I will help my teachers.
I will learn.
I will learn.
I will learn.
I will learn.
I will pass.
I will pass.
Even if there's no money to go to school.
Even if there is no money to go to school.
If you go to control, you go to when space key press. If you go to control,
So if you know the right thing, just do it.
yeah.
I share number. Okay.
No. Then you go to the space. There's small spacing. You click on it. Then the pop-up list. And you click on left arrow.
Left arrow.
Left arrow. After that, you click on the 10. Then it will change to blue. Then you type in -10.
Let's say right. what is the key I'm supposed to pick here?
Change x by 10.
Change x by 10.
Yes.
So you see that if it is going, it goes and it enters that particular space.
Yes.
So assuming you are designing your game, you see that it will not be good for it to go to the other corner of the television. Okay?
Yes.
So we have something that you have to pick out to make it stay. So that if it goes to that place, it will hit it. It will.
Yes.
No, we are starting from the scratch, but we can do something out of it. Okay. So let's all try to draw something out of the paint editor. But let me go back. Let's place our cursor on paint new sprite. Have you seen the cursor on the board?
Yes.
Okay. Place your cursor there and click. Place your cursor there and click. I expect everyone to do that. Just click. Do not do anything. Don't click on the page. After that, you just leave it that way. Okay. What we see is what we call paint editor, right? Have you seen? What do you have there? It's not yet complete triangle. So we have to add the other one, right? Okay, I want to see everyone doing that. No, let it be straight. Let it be straight. Let's all do that. Wow. Okay.
My name is Hajara. I'm happy to be part of this program. I wish we get more computers to help improve what we have learned, and also wish girls who are out there to also be part of us to help promote GTech. GTech, we are programmers.
My name is Musa Rumaisha.
I am attending the BFIC MA JHS. I'm one of the GTech students. Right now, what I want to tell the girls out there is what I have benefited from GTech. When I was in Choguya Paisi, we didn't have lights, not to talk of using the computer. But right now, when we came to GTech, we find everything simple. We can use things more than before. And right now, I bet you, if you join the GTech, you will not regret joining it because it is a very good program. And when they are saying computers, and people use the computer not knowing what they want from the computer. The computer is not just about using it, the benefiting from the computer. But I'm going to tell you people something. They say if you educate a girl, you educate the whole nation. But if you educate a boy, you educate individual. So don't just use computer, but benefit from computer. GTech, we are girls in tech.
My name is Ibrahim Mustafa, an entrepreneur and a volunteer. To me, my understanding of life is that if you give back to community, if you make people smile, one day yours will come. And of this ICT project, I started with a laptop. Used to go to villages just to let people feel what a computer is because they don't know what a computer is. Today, it's a center that I volunteer to bring to my community. People come to learn programming for free. Ladies come to learn for free. And this, to me, is one of the hallmark of achievement that a young man can achieve. It's not by your strength, but just do the little that you have as where you are. You don't have all the money, but do the little that you have. You also gain support to be able able to do a lot of things for yourself. And to me, it starts with you. You can do a lot for yourself and your community. To do our best, we have to make the world a better place. We have to put smiles in these faces, and we have to let everybody know that opportunities are something that you go for, not things that will come for you. So let's do whatever we can do in our own bit so that we make the communities a better place. I'd like to say thanks to Africa CC Right and Google for partnering to put this wonderful edifice. So you all, to put smiles in the face of this case. Thank you.